29 for 2. Bengal Tigers, not a great start for them. 5 overs gone. Set on 1. Now Yusuf is going to play a major role here. Seen him earlier as well. Yusuf is aggressive. Going to be a change in bowling now. But not the start that Bengal Tigers wanted early on. Chennai Rhinos, they have done well in the CCL. The league that started way back in 2011. They have won 2 titles so far. Chennai Rhinos. Saran Kumar is going to be a spinner now in operation. Bengal Tigers, the only thing that worries me, Raman, is that the batting hasn't really fired in the last 3 or 4 seasons, what I've seen of them. So this is going to be a test for them here. Although the conditions are pretty good. It's a quick outfield as well at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. But really, somebody has to anchor one end up. It's T10, we all know that. But still, somebody has to just stay at the crease, occupy the crease as well. Oh, good delivery, good line as well from Saran. The ball just straightening with the arm.
Absolutely right, Ajay.
You got him, almost, you got him.
But now that you've already seen 5 overs go by, this should be taken, but it isn't. Single there. Takes Sid to the non-strikers end. Should have been taken, this catch at long on.
Yeah, went straight up to him there. Went straight to him, just messing that one up. Oh dear, oh dear. That's once again played in the air. This time falling in no man's land. And that's going to be a 4 as well. 1 bounce over the ropes. Good strike there. Exactly what Yusuf can do so well.
Well, he's living up to his name, isn't he? Yusuf. He's reached 20 with that boundary. Just sliced it over that extra cover region. Got it over the infield. 1 bounce and over. That's handy batting. That's what's required. That's the need of the hour now. 20 of just 12 deliveries. A strike rate of 166.7. Change in the field though, and it's on the onside.
It's a wicket for you, Saran.
The boundary creamed through extra cover. 3 boundary riders there in the deep. It's going to be the man at deep mid wicket is going to come in. And the fumble will allow for 2. But there should have just been a single. You wanted the outfielder to attack the ball. He was really pinned at the boundary rope. That's the bench for the Bengal Tigers for you. Lost a couple of wickets, but still looking very exuberant.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the next few batsmen padded up. Once again, going for the big one. Getting probably a bit of bat there as well. End of the 6th over, 36 for 2. Of the CCL T10 blast powered by Bharti Cement. Chennai Rhinos utilizing 4 bowlers so far. 2 wickets for Ashok. The only successful bowler. Shandu bowling 1 over, conceding 8 runs. Saran bowling 1 over, conceding 7 runs. The dot balls are important here. How many dot balls you have? Ashok bowling 7 dot balls so far.
In all, 6 overs and you had 20 dot balls. So, matlab, almost 3.5 overs have been dot deliveries that have been bowled out of 6. और इसी वजह से अजय, the score is reading 36 for 2.
Yeah, कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से उभरना होगा. और अगर ये जो सतह है जो हम देख रहे थे, मैं और सुनील जोशी नीचे गए थे, रमंडा बहुत बढ़िया विकेट नजर आ रही है. ठोस विकेट है, हार्ड है ये विकेट. थोड़ी एक सतह पे घास भी है, तो बाइंडिंग काफी बढ़िया है. और आज ये नहीं भूलना होगा, 4 मुकाबले होने हैं, एक के बाद एक.
There are these cracks there, the grass binding the wicket, binding the surface, holding the surface together. But as the day wears on, we just might see the crack just opening up a tad. And maybe the last match of the day might just see a little more for the spinners. Santanu starting a fresh over. There's a boundary rider there. Just going to keep them down to a single.
Lovely. Sonu. Very good concentration. You got a wicket.
Well, I tell you what, he's trying to use a lot of power, but just not timing on that occasion. Trying to clobber the ball into the Shivlal Yadav pavilion. Coming down the track this time, that's a much better timing. That exactly his partner what he was trying there. But Yusuf, well, he's got a very good blade and he's got some powers in his arms as well.
Set ho gaya.
And the supporters are happy, and why not? Bowled this one seam up, Shantanu, but it was in the slot. And Yusuf using that bottom hand. Clean strike from Maximum. 28 of only 15 balls for Yusuf. That's more of the T10 stuff for you.
Once again shuffling a bit, once again powering it on the onside. This time just picking one run. Good effort as well by the man at long gone. Just settling for one more run there. Yusuf moving on 29. 29 of just 16 deliveries. Sid on 3. A lot of talk going on. I don't know how much strategy you can make in this format. The time is so short, really.
Just a solitary over can change things around, and maybe this could be that watershed over for the Bengal Tigers. Another boundary, maximizing the scoring here. Yusuf is getting on with it, and there's Sid is joining the party as well.
कहते हैं ना खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है, और यहाँ पे सिड यूसुफ को देख के थोड़ा सा उनमें विश्वास जाग रहा है. कोई खराब गेंद नहीं थी. अगर आप देखें लाइन जो थी वो काफी बढ़िया थी. ऑस्ट्रम के बाहर थोड़ा बल्ला खोला, दिशा दी गेंद को, और जैसे आप कह रहे थे रमन, एक महंगा ओवर यहाँ पे आता हुआ 12 रन आ चुके हैं 4 गेंदों में, और इसी की दरकार थी बंगाल टाइगर्स को.
पर अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है बात. 2 बॉल और बाकी है. मैक्सिमाइज करके इसको एक 20 रन का ओवर क्या बना सकती है बंगाल टाइगर्स. वो गेम चेंजिंग ओवर बन सकता है. अभी एक मोमेंटम वाला ओवर है, पर इसे गेम चेंजिंग ओवर बना सकते हैं अगली 2 बॉल्स पे कम से कम 2 बाउंड्रीज लेकर. कॉटन बॉल चांस. That's just gone a begging there. चलिए 1 रन मिला. बंगाल टाइगर्स के लिए अच्छी बात यह कि यूसुफ वापस स्ट्राइक पे.
शांतु की जो सोच है वो यही है कि ऑस्ट्रम के बाहर गेंदबाजी करे, क्योंकि ऑन साइड पे दोनों काफी स्ट्रांग है, काफी सक्षम है. जो आप कॉटन बोल्ट की बात कर रहे थे, गेंद ट्रैवल कर रही थी, प्रयास किया था, एक हाथ निकाला था. ये कई बार इस लेवल पे बहुत कठिन रहते हैं. ये प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर्स नहीं है. फाइन लेग सर्कल के अंदर इस बार कट किया, और थोड़े आगे गिरती हुई गेंद. ओवर की समाप्ति 49 में 2. Yusuf on 29, Sid on 8 of 9 deliveries. Joy and Dirshish back in the hut. Manti and Sandy still to come. Those are the 2 players I'm looking forward to.
Absolutely, Ajay. I know you're looking forward to seeing Sandy pad up and go out there. He does love to tonk a few lofty blows, doesn't he? Sandy used to keep wickets as well for the Bengal Tigers for a few seasons.
But I tell you what, that's the pair that's really done well for Bengal Tigers, with the ball, with the bat. They're really very handy customers. That's the reason they are slated in the middle order as far as the batting order is concerned for Bengal Tigers. Sandy can really tonk the ball hard. But now, just 3 overs left from here. That means 18 legal deliveries.
Yes, let's put it in that perspective. 18 balls. How many runs can you get? At least 2 per ball. You look at 36. Saran is back in action. Just keep them down to a single at long on.
Back up.
पर अच्छी बात यह कि यूसुफ स्ट्राइक पे. अशोक की अच्छी फील्डिंग पर यूसुफ स्ट्राइक पे हो तो मैक्सिमाइज ज्यादा कर पा रहे हैं स्ट्राइक को. स्ट्राइक रेट देखिए 29 रन 17 बॉल्स में.
With the last single coming, the 50 up as well, and this is played very fine. That's a deft touch, a bit of cheeky shot as well, but the result goes in favor of the Bengal Tigers. That's exactly what they want. Just picking up the length very quickly. Gets into good position there, Yusuf. He's really improvising pretty well. Not an easy shot to play. Just shuffling across, playing very nicely. Just trying to play it very fine. Just angling the bat and getting the result he wanted.
Third man and fine leg are both up inside the 30-yard circle. So that's the reason why Yusuf looking to use the bowler's space and go behind the stumps. That should be wide. Wide it is. Another extra run added on. They've crossed the 50-run mark in the 8th over.
Just put it in.
So probably looking to now maximize the scoring here. 3 wides bowled in the innings. Oh, that's a biggie. There's a boundary rider. He won't get there. Another maximum. He does pack a punch when he hits them, does Yusuf. He's moved up to 39 now.
Oh, he's playing a cameo here. That's a very important knock coming from Bengal Tigers. Yusuf once again clobbering. There was a man in the deep, just eluding him. Just going over his head. That's once again nicely powered on the onside. A lot of bottom hand. Almost bowling outside the line of Ostam, but nicely picked up on that occasion by Yusuf. And this partnership now worth 40 of 23. And this time the man coming underneath. Oh, missing that one as well. They've dropped a few catches in the deep, and this is one of them.
Are you keeping count, Ajay? I think कम से कम 4 catches drop हुए आज. कम से कम. 42 of 24. The partnership for this third wicket. Oh, he shuffled all the way across. This could be runs here. At least 2. Well fielded. Well done indeed. He miffed a catch earlier, but well, the team management knows that was a very good effort in the deep.
Yeah, surely saving at least 2 runs there. That was once again played very well. This is exactly what happened a couple of balls ago, missing that opportunity. And then a brilliant save that should have been taken right down his throat. That's the end of the over as well. 65 for 2.